In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more kick power here in Kick a Lucky Block on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, if you look in the bottom left, you're going to see your kick power. And the further that you kick a Lucky Block, the better rewards that you're going to get overall. And the way to do that is by increasing your kick power. Now, for example, we're making it all the way to legend right here, which isn't great, but it obviously, is not bad either. If you want to increase your kick power, what you need to go ahead and do is focus on getting, strong weights as early as possible. You can also get stronger brain rots to, of course, increase your overall, money gained. And then, of course, you can purchase better weights from that instance. Like, for example, I'm going to collect all of this real quickly, upgrade this brain rot right here, and then use that money to actually buy a better weight overall. Because at the end of the day, the best way to actually level up your kicking power is just by lifting weights. And you can get this from the weight shop over here. If you interact with this guy right here, the pro lifter, you can go ahead and purchase a ton of different stuff, with the best one being this giant gold star barbell. For me, essentially just start grinding, start just lifting weights over and over. As you can see, I only have 106,000 kick power, but I can have better if I just let this run. You could even let this run and step away for a little bit. That's a good process, but that's actually the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.